Voyons à présent
Now for the white varieties in the different designations and wines of Languedoc. We need to distinguish between PDO and PGI, and the concept of terroir or territory. For a PDO, the area is much smaller than for the PGI. And another difference is the number of varieties that winemakers can use. You have to imagine wines as a work of art, a painting. To produce a PDO, you can only use a few colors, only a few varieties. You'll paint a wonderful work of art, but with a limited number of colors. For example, to make a Languedoc PDO, a Corbière, or Faugère PDO, you can use Grenache, Roussanne, Marsanne, Vermentino, Bourboulenc, Clairette, Macabeo, or Uni Blanc. You must produce a wine from these varieties only. The terroir also correspond to a method of winemaking that will enhance the expression of the soil, the place, and the winemaker. But you can also produce white PGI wines. You'll find white PGIs throughout Languedoc, from Cévennes PGIs to the Vallée du Paradis PGI, or the beautiful Côte de Thau PGIs, where you don't have to follow the same specifications, meaning you have the right to use other varieties, such as Riesling from Alsace. You can also produce a nice white Sauvignon, a Chardonnay, with PGIs from the Haute-Vallée de l'Orbe or the Haute-Vallée de l'Aude. But they will not be entitled to the protected designation of origin label, because they are not traditional varieties. On the other hand, they can find full expression as wines of protected geographical indication. So, to return to the expression of these varieties, there are varieties that are known, such as Grenache, and other less-known varieties, like Macabeo, which produces wonderful results that can have smoked aromas with an expression of flinty notes. You also have Vermentino, known in other parts of France, including Corsica. It expresses very exotic aromas like pineapple or mango. The tradition in the Languedoc is to blend wines, but with the protected geographical indication, winemakers have the right to make a 100% Chardonnay or a 100% Riesling, for instance. In this case, it's the variety more than the terroir that is expressed. So, to sum up, it's true that Languedoc PDOs express more of a tradition, a terroir and know-how, while the PGIs emphasize creativity, originality, and even the audacity of the winemaker in choosing a variety that isn't traditional, but will be beautifully expressed here in Languedoc.
Mais qui trouve aussi une très belle expression par chez nous dans le Languedoc.